spin versus anti-spin for a second, just as a reminder, in case it wasn't clear, or in case now that you've started playing with it, you have a different physiological relationship to it. If you think about Inspin, the idea is the poi and the hand are moving in the same direction at the bottom of the turn here, right? So that would be the poi is going forward, and if the hand goes forward with it, that's Inspin. Up and over, back, bottom. This constitutes bigger, fuller circles, as opposed to the characteristic shape of anti-spin, which are these ellipses. And that's created by the arm going in the opposite rotational force as the poi. So the poi is going this way, but my arm now goes back to create that oval. Up, front, down. And you'll see that it's that elliptical shape that's created through this anti-spin versus this circular shape. So it takes a lot longer physiologically. I feel like it takes longer, but also in reality it takes longer, because when you're doing anti-spin, you're doing one pedal less, and that's why I have you focus on the front to back positions, because from the back to the front in anti-spin, you go up and over in one rotation. So the bottom of the turn is here, you go up, over, and to the other side. That is one single rotation of the poi, versus if you're doing it in Inspin, you're doing a pedal here, and a pedal here, and so you're doing like basically 2 rotations if you count from the bottom here to the bottom here, with a full rotation at the top, which you don't have in anti-spin poi. If you're moving with the poi, that'll create the big fullest circle. If you're moving against the poi, it's cutting off part of the circle, which is where your ellipse comes from. When in doubt, if you're like, wait, what do I do to do Inspin versus anti-spin? What you do is you feel, you get into your body. Okay, I'm underhand here. You feel into the bottom of the turn. Which way is the poi going? It's going that way. Oh, well, if I want to do Inspin, then I would move with it, which means I would move my arm that way. If I want to do anti-spin, I have to move against it, which means I would go that way. And what's reversing? Not the poi, just your arm. The reversal is the change of rotation of the arm. So instead of going forward with it in the Inspin, you reverse your arm